Hello and welcome everybody. We are right here at the Antidotum air show in Leszno. This is my second time at this air show. It's currently a beautiful sunny day. It would be looking quite alright if not the OV-10 Bronco, which had a landing gear collapse.
No, I was wrong. I have later learned that this was actually a belly landing. The cause is not yet known, but what we definitely know is that it was a hard one, and both the runway and the plane were severely damaged. And while the runway was actually fixed, I mean, it's just like a bunch of holes in dirt. It's not that hard to fix it, but the airplane had its whole airframe bent, a whole engine was basically ripped off the wing, and well, I'm not an expert, but I don't think she's ever going to fly again, sadly.
And their team is working very hard on recovering the airport functionally, if you can call it this way, and it will be back, and the show will happen. Talking about what we are going to see today is really so much that I can't really tell you anything because I don't remember. But we're going to see some insane, fighter jets and everything. So it's going to be a very cool show. And yeah, I've got this, as you can see, it's a little hot. What's this on the top? Let's just see around some static displays right here. I will show you some photos that I took. We have the AM2. It's looking pretty cool, so let me just go around and show you. So this was the static display basically. Not a lot because this air show is focused on flying displays entirely. And this is actually the first time we have a proper static display here at Leszno. Last year there was very little as far as I remember. Only like 2 aircraft, I think, on the static display. So that's pretty cool.
The belly landing of the Bronco had caused an hour of delay, and that hour will later prove to be a very long amount of time, let me tell you that. But it eventually started with the display of the TS-11, the Iskra, which is the Polish word for spark. It's a really cool airplane, it's in fact my personal favorite. It is the first jet that Poland has ever produced. We sadly don't make airplanes anymore, but we actually did before. There had been 3 of them on the flying display. They weren't really performing any spectacular maneuvers or anything like that, but seeing an airworthy spark, in fact 3 airworthy sparks, is a really cool sight.
Maszynom, które na razie czekają na start nawet 1000 koni mechanicznych mocy. Tak brzmi odrzutowiec. Wielkie brawo.
After a few formation passes of the TS-11s, it was time for the actually brand new German Air Force tactical display, which is a formation of the A400M, 2 Eurofighter Typhoons and a Panavia Tornado.
Zobaczą Państwo za chwilę formację kilku maszyn, zupełnie różne typy. Tu widzimy prezentację, która odpowiada tankowaniu samolotów w powietrzu. Zwróćcie Państwo uwagę, Airbus A400M Atlas. A za nim 3 myśliwce w formacji do tankowania. No, tego jeszcze tutaj nie było. Państwu, że...
After that, since I am the best content creator in the world, I have forgotten to record further. But there wasn't really much going on. There were a few displays of robotic aircraft, so great to see, but nothing super interesting. And then there was the Saab SK60, so the Swedish jet trainer, and the Saab Vegan. I hope I have pronounced that right. The big, huge, loud jet. It was a fine display, nothing exciting, and a beautiful aircraft. I have forgotten to record it, but yeah, it was an alright display, and here are the photos. If you look closely at all the photos throughout the whole video, you might notice that they are getting darker and darker, and so are the clouds. And that's exactly what you can see there, what was happening. There was a huge cloud coming right at us, and that cloud meant thunder and rain.
Prosimy Państwa akcyjne. Proszę o dokonanie zdjęcia.